Hello, my name's David Farmer. I'm a partner here at Browne Solicitors and I work in the commercial litigation department. And my journey through education was not the traditional route. I did A-levels when I was 18, but then I went into work straight away and worked in the finance industry for 10 years. I then went back to university when I was in my early 30s and did my law degree and then went on to do my LPC course. So I was a late qualifier into the law and I didn't qualify as a solicitor until I was in my late 30s. In terms of online training, I've found it to be a real benefit. For me, when I was studying the law initially, I had a young family, so it meant that when I was taking part in online training, I could do it to be flexible for my needs. So I could do it when I wanted to do it and where I wanted to do it. So I think that would be the main plus of getting involved in online training. In terms of answering that question, I think it's really important to set aside the time to do the studying and to let everybody else know that you're going to be studying. For me and my family, it was a case of locking myself away and saying, I'm going to have 2 hours for myself here. I'm doing online training. Please leave me alone. Don't disturb me. And you set aside that time, because otherwise, if you don't, you'll find you get distracted and other things take priority over the studying and you'll never get it done. I think the best tip I'd give somebody to motivate themselves is remember the reason why you're doing the studying. Remember that feeling you get when you finish a course and you've got extra knowledge that you didn't have before. If you can focus in on that when you're starting the course or halfway through it, I think that will give you enough motivation to carry you through and to really enhance your knowledge in a particular area. So I think the main thing to help people with online learning is the sheer flexibility that online learning gives you. You can do online learning anywhere. You don't need to drive anywhere. You can just get on with it when you want, and you've got the ability in the day to do it. So for me, the main thing about online learning is giving you the flexibility to do your training as and when you want to do it and complete it. I think the most important tip I'd give somebody to get ahead in your legal career is to make sure you keep up to date with current events. There's lots of case law that happens every single week, so I'd recommend subscribing to podcasts, blogs, and trying to find as much information as you can about the developments in case law. In terms of supporting people in the firm with ongoing training, I think it provides real benefits to us here because it enables us to develop the next generation of partners, people coming through in the business, and it enables them to grow in confidence, to increase their knowledge of the law, and then to apply that into the business with confidence.